Good morning. This is day 3 of our perspective drawing. I just want to send out a quick reminder that yesterday's submission, most of you did a great job, but a few of you only submitted a picture. But if you only, for example, if you only turn in a picture, you only got 20 points out of 40. But if you turn in both the picture and the slide presentation, you were able to earn the 40 points. The reason why you want to turn in both is because if you look at if I click on the picture, so if you click on the picture, you can only see a picture of what you completed for the day. But if you click on the slide presentation, this allows me to see a comparison of the progress that you made from day 1, day 2, and also for day 3. So this is the introduction page. This is the day 1, March 31st. Let me go and expand it so you can see larger on a larger scale. It's not working. Okay. So anyhow, so this is the introduction page. March 31st, April 1st, and today you're going to add for April 2nd for day 3. Okay. Once again, if you only receive 20 points out of 40, you just need to resubmit your assignment with the slide added to the assignment, so you can earn your full 40 points. But if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. All right.